This is Rajiv here. Welcome to my channel Jobs in Goa.
Filsu restaurant at Kortalim is looking for all-rounder chef, kitchen helpers, dishwashers, waiters, tandoori cooks and bartenders. Call on the above employer's direct number for interviews. Please note, every video in this channel has the employer's interviewer's direct phone number. So, you're not going through any placement company. This video is supported by Simedo's Seaview Restaurant. They are located at Kabadi Rama, Palolem. If you are looking for employees for your establishment, then send in the details of your requirements and we will post it on our next video. Call us with details on the above phone number.
Subscribe to my channel because YouTube may show you my video thumbnails 10 or 15 times. But if you don't subscribe, they will stop showing you my thumbnails. As YouTube assumes you are not interested in my channel. So, in future, when you are in need to view my channel, you will not find the link.